This is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable two-step verification on LinkedIn. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Adding the extra layer of security that two-factor authentication or two-step verification provide to your LinkedIn account is essential. You have a lot of professional data on the service, adding an extra layer of security that two-step verification provides make it more difficult for hackers and noobs to access your account. So in this video, I will show you how to turn on, how to enable two-step verification to secure your LinkedIn account. It's very simple. So first of all, first I have to open our LinkedIn app. After that, you can go to the settings by tap on the up left corner here. And you can go to the settings, tap on settings in here. Now you can go to sign in and security, tap on sign in and security. And you'll find there is an option two-step verification. As you can see in here, my two-step verification is off. Now we want to turn this on. You can just tap on that. You can secure your LinkedIn account with two-step verification. Two-step verification gives you additional security by requiring a verification code whenever you sign in on new device. Now you can just tap on setup. LinkedIn will send you code to your email, and you can enter the email that LinkedIn sent to you. Here's the email. You can enter the code. Now you can tap on submit. You can choose your verification method if you want to use authenticator app or SMS. For the example, tap on continue. You can enter your phone number. Now you can enter your LinkedIn password. You can send code. You can wait. So LinkedIn will send you verification code. Here's the code. You can enter the code. After that, tap on verify. And now you have turned on the two-step verification on your LinkedIn app. It's very simple, right? LinkedIn will send a verification code to your phone number. So this number cannot be deleted while being used for two-step verification services that have been granted access to your LinkedIn profile, remain active, and can be managed via permitted service. It's very simple, right? So that is how to turn on two-step verification on LinkedIn. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!